Hello, basically introduce a new feature multiple Backupstores. Starting from 1.8, Longhorn support usage of multiple Backupstores. You can configure Backup to access Backupstores on the setting Backup screen on the Longhorn UI. Here's a demonstration to show you how to create, update, and delete a Backup to access a Backupstore. So let's go to the Longhorn UI. This is the setting Backup target page of the Longhorn UI. We have a default Backup target named default, and now it is set to Azure compatible Backupstore, and it is available now. If you want to create a new Backup target, you can click this button and fill in the necessary information. And now we have a new Backup target named demo, and to access an FS Backupstore. Now it is available now. So let's go to the bottom page. You can see the Backup target name now is the demo, and we can update it to the default, and can try to Backup this snapshot to the Backup target default. It might need a couple minutes depending your volume size to complete the backup. And now you can see the snapshot is turned to green. It means the backup is complete. And you can go to the Backup page. You can see the backup volume with the Backup target default is created. Back to the volume, you can update the Backup target to the demo, and we can backup this snapshot to the Backup target demo. So you can see it turn to the green and go to the package. Another Backup volume is created and is on the Backup target demo. Okay, let's go to the Backup target page. You can delete the Backup target by clicking the delete button. The Backup target is deleted, and you can see the Backup volume is removed as well. But the Backup target on the Backupstore is not removed, so we can create the Backup target demo back. Okay, so you can see the Backup volume is created back, and you can create the DR volume here or restore the last backup. Let's restore the volume from this backup. So you can see the volume is created and attached to restore the backup. After the restoration is complete, the volume will be detached automatically, and for system backup, we only use the default Backup target to create a system backup. You can see here will be some states for volume backup, backup, image backup, and resource backup. So that's it for the new feature multiple Backupstore. Thank you.